Hey, parents and families. I wanted to quickly go over tonight's homework. I did not get a chance to with one of my classes, and since I'm just getting back, I'm not sure what the kids have seen and what they haven't. But on the top part of the homework, it asks students to write the first 7 multiples for each number. So when we hear multiples, we also think skip counting. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, and so on. So if we skip count by 4, that's what we're going to write out. In the second part, part 2 says complete the factor rainbow for each number. So what you want to think about is that it's like there's an invisible multiplication symbol going across these little rainbow arcs here. So 1 times 24 equals 24. 2 times 12 equals 24, and so on for each of the factor pairs. So that's how we're going to complete this factor rainbow. What factor pairs do I multiply to equal that number at the top? I hope that that's helpful for this evening, and I hope you all have a terrific night. Thanks.